Hello, welcome to Linear AutoCAD Tutorials. Don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more design videos. In this video, we're going to be understanding how to use the object snap tracking. You can find the object snap tracking in your status bar. Just below, you have that angular shaped icon. It shows show snapping reference lines. So if you pick that, you've activated your object snapping once it's blue. The shortcut to do this is to use the F11 key on your keyboard. Just notice what happens here. If I press the F11 key, it deactivates. Then I press the F11 key again, it activates. So let's deactivate it and try something. If I want to draw a line, and I want to draw the line, this point is prominent. I want a 90-degree angle on this point. Just the same way I did for this, let's try to create it here. So I want a 90-degree angle just here. Click here and drag. Currently, I need to ensure that I'm restricting my cursor. So I restrict my cursor, and I dragged. I come over here, and I pick from here. I try to connect it, but it's so difficult to do. I could maybe just pick here and drag to this point and pick here, then enter. But one thing you notice is I didn't get this thing perfectly well. It's so obvious. So let's erase that and erase this too. Now, how do we ensure that we get this perfectly well? That's where the object snap tracking comes in. Activate our object snap tracking. Use the F11 key. It's currently activated. As you can see, it's in blue. So let's try to draw a line again. This type of line. If I bring my cross this way and I drag, do not click. Then I bring it this way and I drag upwards. You'll notice that there is a crossing point indicated, which means your object snap tracking is active. Pick this point now and drag it this way. But as we get here, let's pick the second point and now move it upwards. And you can see that the perfect point is being indicated by AutoCAD. So you click there and just move it downwards, and this would be perfect. And you get that line. Now, assuming I want to draw a circle at the tip of where these two intersect, just like we have here, all I need to do is to pick my circle command, then come over here, and since it's the intersection of this point and this point, I just pick the first point and drag. Then I pick the second point and also drag. Then once I reach the intersection point, AutoCAD will indicate that to me, and I can click and just drag it. And this is a perfect circle